Hello everyone, it's Miss D and Miss Cook and Miss Henderson.
Hello. Hello. What's that sound? Sound like a herd of elephants.
Oh my goodness, you're exactly right. For today's STEM project, we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. So for today's project, boys and girls, you're going to need the following items: a 16-ounce plastic soda or water bottle, a full pan with 2-inch sides, a bottle of hydrogen peroxide, 1/2 cup, and you can get that in 3 to 6%. You're also going to need a squirt of dish detergent, a glass measuring cup, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of water, a spoon. Also, this experiment uses chemicals that can be irritating to the skin and can damage your clothes. So make sure to use your safety goggles, a lab apron, and gloves. And always have an adult present.
Avoid touching or getting chemicals on your skin or clothing. And don't get too close, as heat and steam can be dangerous. Always remember, safety first.
Okay, boys and girls, the first step in our experiment will be to dissolve some yeast in warm water. All we're going to do is to take 1 teaspoon of our dry yeast and put it in the mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of warm water. We have already added our yeast to our bowls, like so. And now we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of warm water to the mixture. And now we're going to mix the ingredients until they're dissolved. And our next step, while our yeast is activating, we are going to grab our plastic bottles, our containers, and we're going to add in 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. And then we're going to add in a couple drops of food coloring and squirt some dish detergent into the container as well, like so. So I'm going to take our hydrogen peroxide, I'm going to pour it into our container. Okay. And next we're going to add a few drops of food coloring, and I think I'm going to be doing red food coloring. I like the color red.
And I'm going to use green. Just a few drops.
Yes. Okay. And now that we've added our food coloring, our last step is to add a squirt of dish soap. And we'll be using Dawn's dish soap today.
Alrighty.
All right. Great job, Ms. Cook.
Okay.
The last step in our experiment is to simply add our activated yeast to our colored hydrogen peroxide solution. But before we do that, we're going to mix up our ingredients just a little bit. Okay. And we're going to take our funnels again. And if it gets a little clumpy, you can add a little more water to it,
add a little more,
which is okay.
This is kind of thick. Mine is kind of thick.
Okay, let's see. And it should be a water consistency, boys and girls.
It's still a little thick.
And let's see, yours is pretty
Starting
good.
to come.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Perfect.
All right.
And now we're going to add our activated yeast into our containers like so. And let's see.
And it's off.
And let's see.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh wow, look at it.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
yours is
wow.
coming up. Let me make sure that all the way up. Wow. Oh wow.
How cool.
That is.
Yeah, it really looks like toothpaste. It looks like the toothpaste the elephant would use.
Wow.
Yes, it
It's
does.
just going really slow because of is that because of the 3%?
Yes, this is because of the 3% hydrogen peroxide. So, if you use 3% hydrogen peroxide, boys and girls, the process is going to go a little bit slower than if you would use 6% hydrogen peroxide.
Oh.
But as you can see, with the red, it is slowly reaching to the top,
Mine
which is
taking a little
very cool.
longer. Let me see if I added a little more.
Let's see what happens, boys and girls, if she adds just a little bit more yeast to her container. As you can see, mine is slowly coming up.
Let's see.
And you're starting to see the bubbles.
What happens?
How
Add
cool.
A little more.
Just a
There it
little more.
goes.
There it goes.
Wow.
How cool.
So what's going on now?
Oh my goodness, what's going on, you ask? Well, boys and girls, hydrogen peroxide normally decomposes, which means that it breaks down and separates the elements. When you combine it with the detergent and the yeast, which is a natural catalyst, it speeds up the bubbling process.
As the oxygen emanates from the reaction, it creates bubbles.
Yeah.
The detergent speeds up the foaming. The reaction is exothermic, meaning it produces heat as well as steam.
Oh, that is so cool.
That is
as you guys
cool.
can see,
It's slowly coming. It's coming slowly.
But
Right.
as you can see, let me turn this for the camera.
Right. Yeah.
You can see the elephant toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
How cool.
Wow, it's slowly coming.
It's slowly coming.
Wow.
If you squeeze yours.
Oh,
I
wow.
don't know.
That is so cool.
Yeah, it's just going real slow.
So, boys and girls, this is how you create your very own elephant toothpaste.
Okay, boys and girls, that was a really fun experiment. And remember, if you want to try something like that, always get your parents' permission and always come and check out and see our array of science experiments books that we have. We have a lot more than this, but you're welcome to look through any of them when we open back up, or you can call us to put one of these on hold. Thank you.